Okay, let's start with time and work. Let us understand the concept of time and work. First thing which we need to understand in this topic is certain one particular thing, that work, total work upon efficiency is nothing but time. Total work upon efficiency is time. You can also say work upon time is equal to efficiency. I mean, same way, you can also write this as, if I have to define efficiency, so it is nothing but work over time, right? First thing. Now, this is basically similar to speed time distance, right? In speed time distance, how you define speed? Distance upon time, right? Distance upon time. In time and work, that distance becomes work, time remains time, and speed is efficiency, right? Speed is efficiency. Clear? So, if you remember speed is equal to distance upon time, you can also remember efficiency is equal to work upon time. Now, from here, certain things will find out that efficiency is directly proportional to work if time is constant. Time is constant, then efficiency is directly proportional to work. Second is, same efficiency is inversely proportional to time when work is constant. When work is constant, then efficiency is inversely proportional to time. When efficiency is inversely proportional to time, then work has to be constant. It's constant. That means I'm not changing the work. And the efficiency is inversely proportional to time. Keep this in mind. Also, when nothing is constant, right? Everything is changing. Nothing is constant. Then there is one formula. It's called M1 N1 upon W1 is equal to M2 N2 by W2. Where W1 and W2 are work. Right? The type of question which you get here is, let's say, says that 4 men can do a work in, let's say, 5 days. Then 8 men can do the same work in how many days? So in such cases, in first case, you have 4 men. So put in place of M1, you write 4. And in second case, they are taking 5 days. And it is W1. Let's say the work 1 is nothing but 1 unit. Let's say the work is nothing but 1 unit is equal to M2, which is what? 8 into N2. That's what we have to find out, how many days they take. And since they are doing the same work, so this work is also 1. I can change this question, double the work, triple the work, right? So if I say double the work, if I'm taking this as 1, this will become 2. If I triple the work, if I'm taking 1, this will become 3. Since in this question, the work is same, so keep this as same. Now, you have to find out N2. So N2 will be what? 4 into 5 by 8. Answer is 5 by 2 days. Answer is 5 by 2 days. Right? Answer is 5 by 2 days. Clear? If they also involved rate of doing work, also called efficiency, 2 units per day, 3 units per day, then the same formula will get something additional. Like in this case, if I say 4 men can do some work in 5 days by doing 2 units per day. So that 2 units is called efficiency, or rate at which they are doing it. So in such cases, when we have the same formula, when rate of doing work is involved, when rate of doing work is involved, then it will become M1 N1 R1 upon W1 is equal to M2 N2 R2 upon W, where R1 and R2 are rate of doing work or efficiency. R1 and R2 are nothing but rate of doing work, also called efficiency, rate of doing work, right? Here? Yeah. What are the types of problem which you get, right? All competitive exam will have questions from time and work. Similarly, CAT will have questions on time and work. They have always asked, they will ask, right, time to in the coming years also. So suppose if I have a question, A can do a work in, let's say, 10 days, while B can do the same work in, let's say, 15 days. Right? So since both of them are doing same work, work is constant here, right? So if A and B work together, in how many days they will finish the work, right? Let us understand this question. In conventional approach, what we used to do, A's 1 day work is 1 by 10 unit. B's 1 day work is what? 1 by 15 units. Like in conventional method, they used to say let, or simply A's 1 day work is how much? 1 by 10. And B's 1 day work is what? 1 by 15 units. And then A plus B's 1 day work is equal to 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. And then you take LCM of this 10 and 15, which is 30. And this is 3 plus 2, which is equal to what? 5 by 30, which is 1 by 6. So A plus B's 1 day work is 1 by 6 units. So in how many days? So I have to find, this is now efficiency, right? 1 by 6 units per day. And when we are solving questions in this fashion, we have taken total work as 1 unit. So now I have to find out time taken by A and B together to do this work. So what is time equal to? What is time equal to? Work upon efficiency. Now work is what? 1. And combined efficiency is what? 1 by 6. You turn it up, this will become what? 6 units per day or not? It becomes 6 units per day. Now good that you know this method, but I have a better method to explain you to solve this question. And what is that method? Let's understand. So whenever we have such cases, see why I'm not using this particular method, because you have fractions, right? There is a possibility that you will add fraction, subtract fraction, you might do mistakes, right? So in such cases, I have another method. That method is called LCM method. So take the total work as LCM of the given number of days. Whatever number of days you find out, You take LCM of that, which is equal to what? 30. Total work is, let's say, LCM of 10 and 15, which is what? 30 units. The next step, you find the efficiency of A. So how to find out efficiency of one particular individual? Total work upon total time, which is equal to what? 3 units per day, right? And then you find out efficiency of B. The efficiency of B will be what? Total work, which is 30, which B is finishing in 15 days, which is equal to what? 2 units per day, right? So what is their combined efficiency of A plus B? 5 units per day, right? 5 units per day or not? Now I have to find out what? Time taken by A plus B to finish the work. So what is time given to you? Time is equal to what? Work. Total work is what? 30 units, because now they have to finish 30 units together by combining the efficiency, which is 3 plus 2. It is what? 30 by 5. 5 6 6 days. Right? Understand one more approach for such questions. How you define work? What is the formula for work? Work is time into efficiency, right? Yes, work is nothing but time into efficiency, right? And work is constant. So pay attention to this method also for such simple question. Pay attention. A and B can do it in how many days? 10 days and 15 days, right? A and B can do it in how many days? 15 days. 10 and 15 days, right? See, this is what? Time. And if work is constant, so time and efficiency are inversely proportional, right? So do inversely proportional of what? The ratio of time, right? So what is the ratio of time? 10 and 15. What is the ratio of time? 2:3, right? Just take the ratio, dude. So this will be what? 2 and this will be what? 3. So efficiency is inversely proportional. So this efficiency will go here and this go here, right? Because they are inversely proportional. So if ratio of time taken is 2:3, ratio of efficiency will be what? 3:2. Remember that expenditure is equal to price into consumption and percentage. Expenditure is constant, then price and expenditure, how they move, right? Now I told you what is work equal to? Time into efficiency, right? So in this case, work is constant. So what is the time part? 2 and efficiency part 3. 2 3s are. Even if you take 3 and 2, this will also give you what? 6. So they will take how many days? 6 days to finish the work, right? Clear? Do you know this approach? The third one? No. Which approach you guys know? Only first one, that 1 by. This you don't know. Then right? We take up more questions. Done? Okay. Let's have a next question. Just one second. Hello. Regarding ma'am? Okay, okay. Can you give me 5 minutes? I'll just in a class, I'll call you back. And this number only. You give me 2 minutes, I'll call you. Yes. Okay. Next is, take this off. Take this off. Okay. Next is, there is a question that A and B, I'm not writing the entire question, A and B can do a piece of work in how many days? 15 days. And B and C can do the same work in 10 days. A and C can do the same work in 12 days. So, if all A, B and C together work, right, if all of them work together, how much time they will take? So, I simply have to find out what? Time taken by A plus B plus C. So, this will be given by what? Total work by combined efficiency of A plus B plus C, right? This is what we have to find out. So first, so it's in this case, it's together time is given, right? A and B are together doing this work. B and C together doing this work. A and C together doing this work, right? And I have to find out times. First, take the total work as LCM of what? 15, 10 and 12, which is equal to what? Units, right? LCM is 15, 10 and 12 is 60 units or not? Now pay attention to this. What is efficiency of A plus B? Because they are together doing this work. So combined efficiency we can find out. So efficiency is given by what? Work upon time. That means 60 by 15. Yes. 60 by 15 is what? 4 units per day. What is the efficiency of B plus C? 6 units per day, right? And what is the efficiency of A plus C? 5 units per day, right? To find their individual efficiency, see this, that whenever there is a cycle means A, B, B, C, A, C, right? You will have these kind of questions in algebra also, A, B, B, C, A, C. Whenever we have such cases, right? In time and work, add them. Make this first equation, second equation, third equation. And when you add this plus this plus this, so when you are adding first these 3 equations, how many times you have A? 2 times. How many times B? 2 times 2 and 2 times C. So this will give you what? Twice the efficiency of what? A plus B plus C, which is equal to 10 units per day, right? So we will get the efficiency of what? A plus B plus C, which is 15 by 2 is how much? 7.5 units per day, right? This is their combined efficiency. Now tell me, what is the efficiency of A plus B? Now we don't have to find out, right? I'm just telling you how to find out their individual efficiency. You got the answer at this step. How you got the answer? Because you just have to find out this. So total work is 60. And what is the combined efficiency? Or you can also write 15 by 2, right? Which will become 60 into 2 by 15. 15 for the 60, 4 to the 8 or not, right? Now how to find out their individual efficiency, that also you see. So in this case, what is efficiency of A plus B? And what is A plus B plus C? right? So in place of A plus B is 4. A plus B plus C is 7.5. So from here, can we get the efficiency of C? How much it is? 3.5 units per day, right? Same way, what is efficiency of B plus C? Same place of this B plus C, right? 6. So you'll get the efficiency of A also. What is efficiency of A? 1.5 units or not per day? Now this 3.5 and 1.5 is how much? 5. Total is 7.5. So we'll get third efficiency of B also. What is efficiency of B? 2.5 units per day or not? Or you can simply know that A plus C is 5. So in place of A plus C, put 5. 7.5 minus 5, 2. So they can also ask you how many days C alone will take to finish the work. Instead of A, B, C, they can ask you any individual, how much time any individual will take to finish this work. Right? Clear? Just down. We'll take this off. Right? Let's take some more question. So another question I'm taking, that A can do some work in 10 days, while B can do the same work in 12 days, and C can do the same work in 15 days, right? 15 days, respectively. It's already given. Then says that A left. Now, this type of questions are confusing for students. Says that A left the work. A left the work 5 days. 5 days before the work was completed. Was completed. And B left 2 days after A had left. Now let's find out number of days required to finish the work. Number of days needed to finish the work. This type of questions are confusing, right? Let's first understand the total work efficiency, individual efficiency, and then try to solve this question, right? First, to find total work, switch on the AC. LCM of 10, 12, and 15. What is LCM of 10, 12, and 15? 60 units, right? What is efficiency of A? 60 by 10, which is equal to what? 6 units per day, right? But efficiency of B will be what? 5 units per day. And what is efficiency of C? 4 units per day. Any doubt in this? Once you get their individual efficiencies, then what we are supposed to do? Now, this question, right, there are multiple ways of solving it. I'll give you one method by which we can understand this question. See, the question is A left 5 days before the work was completed and B left 2 days after A had left. That means draw number line first. This is 0 and this is 60 units, right? So here what is happening in this entire question, that when A realized that now only 5 days are left, right? He quit the work. So now since A's efficiency will be minus, so more number of days will be taken, right? So initially, what do you think, how many days would have taken? 4 days to finish the work. Yes or no? 6 plus 4 plus 5, 15 units per day, so 60 units. Oh, this miss. A left the work 5 days before the work was completed. Okay, I think something wrong with the question. Let me check. Okay. Total work is 60 units, 5 days before the work was completed. Okay. Take up this question, I'll check it out. Okay. A can complete a piece of work in 10 days. A can 10 days. B can do the same piece of work in 15 days. C can do it in 20 days. So question, A can do a piece of work in 10 days, B in 15 days, C in 20 days. A and C work together for 2 days. And they say that A plus C, they worked for how many days? Work for 2 days. A and C work for 2 days. And then A was replaced by B. Then in how many days altogether? In how many days altogether the work will be completed? The work was completed. Work was completed. Let's try to take the total work. What is your total work? Right? Total work is 60 units. Yes. Find out efficiency of A, which is 6 units per day, right? What about efficiency of B? 4 units per day. And what is efficiency of C? 3 units per day. Any problem in this? Any problem in this? Now what they are saying, initially who worked for 2 days? A and C. So now draw a number line and write your work 0 and 60 units. Since A and C are working together for how many days? 2 days, right? What is combined efficiency of A and C? Units per day. They will be working for 2 days. So in 2 days, they will finish 18 units of work or not? 18 units, right? Who? A plus C together. After that, A is replaced by what? B. First of all, out of 60, 18 unit is already done. How many units are left? So 60 minus 18 is what? 42. So remaining work is how much? 42 units. And now who is working this work? B and C. So what is the time taken by B plus C to finish this work? Work is 42 units. And combined efficiency of B plus C is what? 7. So divide this with what? 7. 7 6 are 42. So that means how many days we took here? 2 days. And how many days we are taking here? 6 days. So 6 plus 2 is what? 8 days. So total days to finish this work is what? 8. So they take 8 days to finish the work. Clear? Done? Done? Okay. Let's take one more question now. Okay. Able to understand such type of questions? Next question is, X can do a piece of work in 24 days. Right? It is given that X can do a piece of work 4 days. When he worked for 4 days, when he worked for 4 days, Y joined him. Y joined him. If the complete work was finished, the complete work was finished in 16 days. In 16 days, then Y alone can finish this work. In how many days? Then Y alone can finish this work in how many days? Let's understand this question. Solve such question as I told you. See now this question, first of all, X alone can do some work in 24 days. We don't know the efficiency of X. Can be 1 day, 1 unit per day, 2 units per day, 3 units per day. We don't know, right? And then he is working for 4 days, and then who is joining him? Y joined him. Suppose Y did not join him, then he would have taken what? Another 20 days. Extra 20 days to finish the work. But since Y joined him, number of days has reduced. Yes? Okay. Logically, try to understand, right? You understand? Suppose Y was not there, then X would have taken 20 days to finish the work, right? But since Y joined him, and Y also worked along with X, the work was finished in 16 days. So that means X has to work 4 days less, right? And that because Y has some efficiency and Y also helped him, right? So X 4-day work is nothing but Y's efficiency, right? Y, what X can do in 4 days, Y could do that in 16 days. Okay, let me explain you this question. First of all, you always consider total work as what? LCM of given number of days. Whatever number of days you see here, you take their LCM. What is LCM of 24, 4 and 16? 48. So let's say total work is 48 units, right? So from here, we'll get the efficiency of A or not? How much is the efficiency of A? 2 units per day. Any doubt? Now draw number line. In number line, this is 0 units and this is 48 units. Now initially A is working for how many days? 4 days. And what is the efficiency of A? 2 units per day. So how much unit of work he will finish? 8 units or not? In 4 days, he will finish 8 units of work. Out of 48, since 8 is now done, how much is remaining? 40 units. And now this 40 units of work will be done by whom? X plus Y, right? X plus Y is doing this work. So now we have to find out time taken by X plus Y. This is not A, this is X. Time taken by X plus Y is equal to 40 by efficiency of X plus Y. What is efficiency of X? 2. Efficiency of Y is, let's say, Y units only. And what is time taken by X plus Y given to you? 16 is equal to 40 by Y plus 2, right? 4 4s are 16, 4 10s are 40. So I can simply solve this equation, or you can also write 2 2s are 2, 5s are, cross multiply. 2y plus 4 is equal to 5. So 2y is equal to 5 minus 4, 1, and y is equal to what? 1 by 2 units per day, right? 1 by 2 units per day. Now, if y has done this work alone, how many days he would have taken? So y would have taken total work 48, efficiency is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 will go to that side. What? 96 days, right? You would have taken 96 days. Now, see, as I told you initially, efficiency of X is what? 2. And that is what? 1 by 2. Y, right? If I take this as 4, that will become what? 1. 4 is to 1. Why this is happening? First you note this down, then I'll tell you. Then I'll give you questions which you can. I'll tell you. First note this down. 99% of the time the LCM method works very well. Whatever, because so that calculation becomes easy. Answer would have got in fraction, but overall answer, final answer would have been same. You still get the answer. But your efficiency, whatever efficiency you take, just the ratio of efficiency would have been same. And answer would have been 96. Whether you take 48 unit, 100 unit, 200 unit. This I am taking so that I don't have to deal with fractions. Right? So you see in this entire question, what is happening? Initially, X बेचारा आया अपना काम करता जा रहा है, करता जा रहा है, करता जा रहा है. कितने दिन में खत्म कर देगा? 24 डेज में. हाँ, X कर देगा. दूसरे केस में क्या होता है कि X ने काम किया, 4 दिन तक खूब काम किया अकेले, 4 डेज तक. यहाँ पर उसका साथ देने के लिए कौन आ गया, या आ गई y, ताकि मैं तेरा हाथ बटाती हूँ। डूइंग दिस, काम और 4 दिन पहले ही खत्म हो गया, 4 days एंड 16 days, राइट, 16 days में हो गया। सपोज दोनों पैरेलली काम कर रहे होते हैं और एक दूसरे को बिना बताए हुए काम खत्म करना है, राइट। एक बीच में एक लाइन डाल देते हैं, लाइन मतलब x को बिना बताए y आ गई और y ने उसका हेल्प करना चालू कर दिया, तो x काम करता जा रहा है, करता जा रहा है, करता जा रहा है ना। x इज अज्यूमिंग कि मुझे तो 20 दिन ही लगने वाले हैं, राइट, क्योंकि दूसरे जगह पे कोई एक ऑलरेडी उसकी फ्रेंड उसकी हेल्प करने के लिए आ गई है, वो भी साइमल्टेनियसली कर रही है। तो जैसे ही 16 डेज होते हैं, कोई थर्ड पर्सन जो रहता है जिनको काम असाइन करता है, वो कहता भाई हो गया, तो कहेगा अरे मेरे को तो 4 दिन और करना था, तो कहेगा नहीं किसी और ने कर दिया तुम्हारा। तो जो 4 दिन का काम x का था वो y ने 16 दिन में किया, क्योंकि 16 दिन तक साथ काम किया, राइट। तो कैसे लिख सकते हैं इसको कि 4 days वर्क ऑफ x is 16 days वर्क ऑफ y, राइट। यहां से कैंसिल करेंगे तो 1 day वर्क ऑफ x is equal to 4 days work of y, right? वर्क इज गिवन, एफिशिएंसी उल्टी हो जाती है। अगर इसकी एफिशिएंसी मैं 4 कर दूं, राइट, इसकी एफिशिएंसी को 4 कर दूं तो इसकी एफिशिएंसी 1 हो जाएगी। इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल होता है ना, वर्क तो सेम ही कर रहे हैं दोनों, वर्क इज कांस्टेंट, राइट, सेम ही काम पे लगे हुए हैं ना ये लोग। तो एक दिन में जितना काम एक्स करता है, सेम काम करने के लिए वाई कितना लेती है, 4 days, राइट। वैसे नहीं करना है, तो यहां से पहले हमने इसको 2 यूनिट्स निकाल लिया था। तो एक दिन में एक्स कितना काम करता है, 2 यूनिट्स, तो उसी काम करने के लिए वाई कितना लेगी, 4 days, राइट। 4 days शी विल टेक टाइम। अगर एक दिन में ए कितना काम करता है, 2 यूनिट्स, राइट, उसी काम को करने के लिए वाई कितना लेगी, 4 days, राइट, टू डू 2 यूनिट्स ऑफ वर्क। तो यहां से एफिशिएंसी आ जाएगी वाई की, कितनी आ जाएगी, 1/2 यूनिट्स पर डे, वही आई थी। ऐसे तुम लोग सोचना पड़ेगा, राइट, टाइम एंड वर्क के क्वेश्चंस को ऐसे सोचना पड़ता है। इट विल टेक सम टाइम, तुमको थोड़ा दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा, बट इट विल टेक सम टाइम, ठीक है। आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड दिस, ठीक है। ट्राई क्वेश्चंस, try these questions and then I'll give you a worksheet which you can solve it. Online students who are looking for worksheet can contact me, so I'll send you the worksheets. Noted on this? Thank you so much.